Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 1 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File setup. Open the Excel file, save it with a new name, and check that your name appears in cell B6. Step 2. Personnel worksheet. Move data from B1 to A1 and adjust column widths. Enter salary and commission data in B14, and use flash fill for emails in column D. Use SUM for totals in B17 and C17, and count for the number of employees in B19. Step 3. Cash flow worksheet. Change the orientation to landscape and update the date in cell A2. Enter a formula to calculate profits in B7 and copy it across. Use AutoSum for totals in E5, clear cell A9, and wrap text in G8. Step 4. New worksheet. Insert and rename a new sheet, accounting, then save and close the file.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.